Hello everyone, hello Taurus, how are you doing? So this is your career, money and business reading for August month, yes. So let's see what the cards have in store for you this month. Just a reminder, if you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. So Taurus, first card, the Tower card. I don't know Taurus, this repeats in your reading. The Taurus, it's a shake-up. Again, there is something, it could be a card of your own transformation. Like you were a certain person before and then circumstances came and then you became a totally different person. You had planned something and it did not work. There was certain shake up and then things change and you are going into another direction. With this Tower card, I feel that you have to again start from new. You have to explore new opportunities, new territory, because Tower has been coming in your readings. So explore new investment opportunities, new job, new business. That is what I feel, that there is a shake up in it has happened and you are starting again, fresh. The pathway that you had chosen for yourself or you had desired, you are moving away from that and going towards something else. This is for some of you. Being a general reading, it might not resonate with everybody, but I still feel that it is an overall energy, or it could show your own transformation. Ace of Rods in reverse. So that's what I feel, is that the growth that you were expecting, the business that you thought that would flourish, for some of you it hasn't done. Maybe I think after the Tower that shake-up has happened, things did not work for this reason alone. So this is what, so there are certain tough decisions you need to take. There are certain tough decisions regarding your business or job situation that you need to take. Maybe some of you are looking for jobs and would also go for interviews, might take journeys and for interviews, new job. That is what I feel for you, Taurus. So traveling is also, I feel, there. The Moon card. So still you do not have the clarity what you are going to do. There is still some confusion. There is still something hidden. It talks about clarity not being there still in certain situations for some of you here. So I think when with the Tower moment, we are still trying to decide or figure out what to be done next, what should be done next with this card. Also, it's an alert card, like there could be a deceit or a cheating, so be aware, especially for business people, I feel here. Here also it talks about you are really stressful, in a stressful situation. You are overburdened with lot of responsibility, lot of financial responsibility. I mean, being responsible towards your family, towards your work. So I feel that it's a very stressed out emotional situation that you have now for yourself, Taurus. So this is for some of you here. Three of Pentacles. So some of you are going back to school. Back to school doesn't mean going back to schools, learning new skills so that you enhance your knowledge. And some of you are working as a team, association, partnership coming for some of you here. And you are trying to get all the information regarding that. Some of you who have decided to go ahead with a project or a partnership or an association. So basically Three of Pentacles is working together as a team, enhancing your skills. Maybe some of you are taking some online short-term courses for yourself, so that you are aware of what's happening in today's market, or what is the in thing in the market that will get you good returns. So basically that you are working towards enhancing knowledge, enhancing your skills with this card. Knight of Swords. So this talks about you are trying to explore things. I mean, this is what, yeah, it's a card of exploration. You know, you are moving, you want to find out from different locations, different places. You are reaching out to people for job, for, you know, for your interview, for I feel for you know, partnership, for association. So this is with Knight of Swords energy. I feel you're reaching out, you know, and you are focused now. You want something in your life. You want a job for yourself. You want the partnership that maybe that idea that you are rushing towards it. You are trying to make it at a great speed. You're very passionate. You have that fire energy in you. You want to put everything, you know, everything into work. You are you know, it is not that you're blunt. You are you know, blunt means sometimes you're not very kind with your words. I mean, that is what I feel with this Knight of Swords energy here. And there is stress. What I feel, you are stressed, and there is a lot of work to be done, so you want to rush into things. But that's what I want to tell you: do not rush into things here. Take it slowly, take it, you know, slow and steady always wins the race. Of course, you need to have a certain speed, but do not rush without much information there, because you also got the Moon card. There are hidden things still. There is something still hidden that you will not aware, and with time you will get to know. So that is what I feel with that card, Taurus. The Magician. So Magician card, you are trying to manifest things at a great speed, or you want to manifest things at a great speed. You do not have the patience, you know, that patience is lacking to wait, you know, for things to turn up. But you understand, magic is what? An illusion. It is not reality. You are into an illusion if you want you know, if you want things at this pace. So that is, you could be you know, you could fall to a fraudster, or somebody could trick you, you know, into a wrong situation. So beware. Also, I feel some of you are praying, because there is a lot of stress, and you know, there are people, what I feel in your, even in your family, there are confrontations, and it's not a very good you know, good energy, the positivity. There are some conflicts actually. So you must you all are you just praying that, you know, things should settle down with your money, with your job situation, with your family situation. Like a magician, you could just solve these issues, and you are praying to the higher power, to the divine, to, you know, let you come out of this situation as quickly as possible. The Magician card, Taurus here. Let us see. Ten of Rods, overburdened. You are burdened by your family, extended family, work situation, money situation, resources. You are in a lot of stress. I mean, some of you are in a lot of stress. There may be sick, you know, sick people at home, because I feel this is an old man, you know. Here of course it shows that it is your energy, but I feel in the family you might be taking care of sick people, your sick maybe in-laws, parents, or you're spending money on the you know, in hospitals, or some other things related to your parents or in-laws. So that is what I get. So one last card here. Let's see. Five of Rods. So it talks that people in your, I mean with the family thing, I feel people in your work situation or family situation, they are in conflict with you for some reason. Not everybody, but yes, there is a conflicting situation. For some of you it's home, and for some of you it's work. The people with whom you work with, you know, the subordinates, the maybe your partner. So maybe you are not aware. With the Moon card, sometimes it could be that you are not aware of that situation. So people might be talking very nicely to you when they are, you know, on the face, and just go, you know, at the back they might just doing something else. So you need to be beware. At home also there could be property disputes or inheritance dispute, or some people not cooperating you. At least that could, in a sober manner, you will not get all the cooperation that you are looking for from people in your work situation or in your job situation. This is again for some of you, being a general reading. Now I just pick up one guidance card that was handmade by me, because I do this manifestation video, so it's a guidance for the month, from the higher power or divine power. So let's see, Taurus, what you are getting for yourself. Enhance your skill and have logical approach. So this is your card, Taurus. Enhance your skill. You need to learn more. You also got 3 of Pentacles card here. So enhance your skill. Have logical approach to things. Don't get emotional, oversensitive, anger management. All that you need to do. Be logical and things will fall in place. That will take you forward, Taurus. So this is for August. Again, if you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. And again, I want to thank you for subscribing and viewing this, for taking your time out, and see you in the next reading. Thanks.